So, to note, your Sika card is not going to work on the island of Okinawa because there is no JR line here. So in order, one of the first things you need to do is you need to get yourself a transportation card. I think it's called an Oki card or something like that. Anyway, you go to the machine, you press English. English again.
All fare information
monorail ticket.
In English.
From here, I think you just press because you don't want a regular pass. We just want to purchase an Oki card, okay? And then what you do, general user, and for here, you put in your 10 grand, 10,000 yen, and you stick it in there, and it pops out one of these cards right here. Don't lose it, because you've made a 500 yen deposit on that, okay? So, just to note. And this is good not only for transportation on monorail, buses, I believe food as well. So, there you have it. Really easy. One of the other things you want to note is you have to physically pull out the card. There's no digital wallet for it. You have to physically pull it out. I tried putting it in my wallet this way, I tried putting it in there, tried putting it in my phone, no go. You have to physically pull out the card. All right, next monorail's in 2 minutes. All these monorails are 2 cars only, which doesn't really make a lot of difference because you are, here, let's go here. In another life, I could go for being the driver of the monorail. Kind of like the Zamboni. When you get to this point, you might be confused which way to go, but a local said, it doesn't make any difference, you can go either way. Really, really old trees. I'm not positive this footage will pick this up, but there's loads of dragonflies. If one lands on you to take a rest, it's good luck. Here's part of the outer wall. Look how these little tiny delicate vines are growing on these poles. Okay. I don't have to explain this one to you. If for nothing else, we're not in a swarm of people. How relaxing. Just saw some more dragonflies. And according to Jeannie, my genius wife, she says dragonflies, no matter what kind of dragonflies, have an average lifespan of about 45 days. These outer walls, I'd say they're about 50 feet high.
Yeah.
Easily 50 feet high, maybe more. No invaders are just going to scale those easily, especially with archers above. Not knowing much about anything, I would have to believe that this is one of the outer gates. A giant akagi tree. It's a type of evergreen, believe it or not. It is giant. We have found the tourists. I believe you have to buy a ticket. We'll find out.
300 yen.
There you go. 300 yen. What a beautiful butterfly. Wow. This is a World Heritage Site. Give you another even nicer view inside the castle wall. So when you come through that arch, take a left and buy your tickets. Then you come up here and go through. It's 10:20 and it's humid. I'm pretty soaked already. I'm also double dipping on the t-shirt, you're right. Wearing the same one as yesterday, because I didn't sweat it up yesterday. But this is end of life today for this shirt. She's got the tickets.
$400 each.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. Welcome in. Thank you.
Thank you. 400 yen each, $2.75. Stone handrail, red tiles.
Well, it was a dragon crest, and there's the structure of it.
The remains?
Those are all the pieces.
Ah, so that's what it was like back in the day. We got some somewhere, but basically that's what it looked like on top. And this is what remains today.
It's the boneyard.
Welcome to the temporary roof viewing area. We've told you this before. You come here, a little bit on the left is an elevator. You take the elevator to the top and work your way down.
They're reconstructing this whole thing.
Oh, so you're not even allowed in. Gotcha. I get it. They're renovating the whole deal, and you're not allowed in. It's not like it's a museum or anything, but they let you come up and take a look at what they're going to do, and then when it's done, they'll probably remove the whole building. This will be the very top. We thought it was actually like a museum, but it's different levels of the reconstruction. So your $2.75 is almost like a donation to help with the reconstruction. Here's the second floor. It's like a wood mill. The smell of wood is incredibly pungent here. Well, this would be the second level. There's an upper level that we just saw. And you can see the craftsmanship that has gone into this, the detailed craftsmanship. And back down to the first floor. So that's what you get with the elevator ride up. You get to see the process of the renovation. Onward. Once again, once this building is finished, this reconstruction, they're going to take this whole building down. I don't know if it's 2 years, 5 years, but that's the plan.
And now you get the shop.
This. Yes, you need to buy stuff? They got it. This way, the arrow's pointing this way. There's a viewpoint. No, there's a viewpoint, observatory dock that we'll go check out. And I have a feeling this could be the end of the line. We'll see. We'll take you up there. It's going to be a nice view with the nicest person I know. That's how you rack up bonus points. Hello.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for being here.
Thanks. Watch your head. More steps.
We live for steps. So, just to put it in perspective, that's the building we just took you through, where the reconstruction is going to be done. Once again, once it's done, that building will disappear and you'll see the reconstruction in all its glory.
Known as the castle reveal.
So as you're exiting, don't miss this little gem. And that ends our Shurijo Castle tour. And if you got any value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. As always, thank you for coming along, and please subscribe.
See you next time.